loving Krabi so far. Can't get over this view. Seriously.
Two things for complimentary. The first thing is this is our homemade cookie.
Perfect.
Please try and let us know that it's good.
Yes.
This is the dry bell fruit.
Wow.
For this one, it seems like the Thai herb.
Oh,
You
Thai
have
herb.
to put some heat of them in the cup and you pour hot water.
Aha.
Okay.
You drink at tea.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
For congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Oh. Oh my god, look. I don't know what's in it. Oh, paprika. So beautiful. Yeah.
Mushroom. We also have the treatment for you. Everything in the bottom there, they are complimentary.
Okay.
And everything in the tray here, they are also complimentary.
Okay.
And this is maybe the important thing to you. This is the mosquito spray.
Yes, the best
Yes.
spray.
During the night time, during the day it's fine. Maybe during the night time when you go for dinner, you can take it
Yes.
with
Okay.
you. Or if you would like to have another one in the restaurant, it will be perfect for you.
Okay.
And
Perfect.
then more water here. Actually, the water here you also can use for brush your teeth.
Yes.
We use the water from underground. Sometimes the taste is a bit salty.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
you don't like, you can add more drinking water for brush your teeth.
Perfect.
Okay.
But actually clean.
Yes.
And then the laundry here, toilet that's it.
Perfect. Okay.
This is the jam right here.
See you on link. See you.
Our friends, say hi.
My friends.
This is a resort. Crazy. Anyway. Over here. Alright, this guy just got creamed in some ping pong, so whoever wants it. Whoever wants it. Look at this view, seriously. Okay,
Okay.
here we are.
Goodbye.
We're in Krabi.
Got some Krabi.
We're at this place called Oh, mangrove.
You know.
Check out what we're eating.
No, 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 no.
Oops.
Whoa. That's what we're eating too.
Oh,
This is the best part of the
damn.
shrimp right here, dog.
The head. Who eats the head? You. Yum. I love fresh seafood.
You know?
I don't know what they do to this sparkling water, but it's extra sizzly, and I love it. I'm finally over the point where I can eat ice, fresh salad. You know, we've come a long way.
Eat.
Mmm.
Oh, all of a sudden, Don.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, Don.
Isn't that like a mix of like a sugary like mom sauce, but like salt and pepper edition?
That's fine. Yeah, passion fruit, mango, lemon, guys.
Okay. Do I dip it or just suck it?
I do this. Alright, twist it. Now I get it. I like squeezing the lemon out.
I like the meat better.
Yeah.
Can I feel you one?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so one of my like when I would help my mom cook, she would have me do the shrimp, and I hated peeling shrimp and I hated washing vegetables because I just felt like it just took so long to do, and I just wanted to like eat it, you know. Anyways, when you have someone as obsessed about food as I am, these traumas started early, you know. Okay, hope this isn't too spicy for you, baby.
Let's see. Good guy. Good guy. That's good.
Thank you. I'm really happy with this choice so far.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. You know, there's a part of me that was like, a lot of Thai food and Asian food. Like maybe we should get pizza or a shawarma, you know?
Oh, a hamburger.
A hamburger. Would you like another one?
Go ahead.
Here's the head.
Oh, that?
Look
Yeah,
at the
here,
next
here,
head.
here.
Look at the next
No,
head.
no, no. I love it. I'll try to go get a crib.